In the recent Walking Up an Appetite episode on fish and chips, we ate lots of different tartare sauces along the way and worked out what we want in ours, and that's this one. So I'm starting with some mayo, and I'm going to add some chopped shallot, capers, put them all in, they're so good. And my favourite, these are chopped cornichons or little gherkins, like them too. And I'm just going to give that a mix. It's so quick and easy, I don't know why you would ever buy a jar of this. You can see how long it takes to make, like no time. Bit of lemon juice. I'm not going to add salt yet because it's got lots of salty things in it, so I'm just going to give it a mix with some pepper and see what it tastes like. All right, let's see. Yum. This is perfect. I like it thick and chunky, and you can see all the bits. Now I need to fry something to eat with it. On the recent episode on fish and chips in Walking Up an Appetite, we ate delicious tiger prawns. And what best to go with tiger prawns than this spicy cocktail sauce? Takes 30 seconds to make. Please don't ever buy it, just make it. You've got everything at home. Mayonnaise, tomato sauce as in ketchup, lemon juice, and a little bit of sriracha. Give it a stir. I really should have done it with a whisk. Just never gonna, I'm gonna be here for 2 days. So I'm gonna switch, and you can see those lumps are going. And that is it. I'm gonna taste it. Yum, love it. And that's how easy it is to make spicy cocktail sauce at home.